Since I have this barbecue at work, we have enjoyed preparing an array of delicious meals there, including calzotadas rice, various sausages, and a wide assortment of meats.
And everything remains
Very good.
But it lacked that smoky touch of good restaurants. If you want to see how I got it, don't miss the following video. One of the restaurant tricks to make meats and make them spectacular is the Josper oven, which is a wood and charcoal oven. Since these types of ovens are not accessible to the home public, I had to devise a simple and economical system for smoking meat, despite being on an open grill.
First thing I thought,
You can buy a barbecue type.
Weber of these with lid.
For Omar and Grill, they are doing very well.
But already having a work barbecue,
It seemed absurd to me to buy another one. The goal was to buy some kind of
cover that maintained the
heat, and with it the smoke. So I decided to browse through Amazon in search of grill covers and stumbled upon these BBQ bells. However, they turned out to be quite small in size. Here, for example, a rib cage does not fit whole.
And apart from this now,
Yes, there's nothing else for sale. Not even on specialized surfaces, where they sell you barbecues with lids.
but a separate bell or lid, right?
So I decided to make one myself for it. I looked for oven trays that were quite tall and large. I'm not going to use any of welding alone. Will I need these? Nuts, some washers, a handle and a thermometer. Essential for temperature control. Now I leave you with the part of how I make the bell, and then we'll see what results it does on the meat. Well, I finally completed it, and I've already put the burrs inward, and I have sanded them. Here is the thermometer that will be used to control the temperature. And the time has come to try it. Let's see if we can give him that one. Has a slightly smoky flavor in what we grill. I conducted the initial examination with these Angus cow chin medallions, which appear rather soft and somewhat squishy. And also these chicken wings that come marinated. While the coals are being made, let's go. To prepare the beef, we add some pepper, a pinch of salt, and a drizzle of olive oil. We massage so that everything adheres well, and we do this on both sides. You don't have to do anything on the wings. Since they already come marinated, we have also let that set. Pairing, and now goes everything on the grill. For smoking, apart from the embers themselves, which are made of wood.
I'm going to use these sticks.
branches are not going to make a flame, and if they burn,
And they're going to provide a very aromatic smoke.
ideal for what we were looking for.
We see that the thermometer marks smoking temperature, and the meat will be there for a little while to get that touch we're looking for. Like Omar's gonna make him, time on the grill is greater than usual. To go, replenishing coals, I have this garden brazier. And now it must be smoked.
And we finished cooking the
Meat at high temperature.
Round and round.
On both sides.
We take it out and we're going to test if it notices smoking, which is the objective of the video.
Let's try how.
It's smoked.
The point.
It's very, in fact, having smoked it.
However, it's certainly not difficult, and we're definitely going to try it.
The flavor of the angle meat is very good.
And the smoke is noticeable a lot, but a lot.
But it's very good. The wings, the truth is that they look pretty good. Let's try them.
The smokiness is less noticeable here, because obviously you can see the marinade, but they are very good.
They have a good bite and they are tender and juicy.
And now let's try the potato.
It still possesses a significant amount of Hugo's essence, and it's very good.
The next day I decided, shall we repeat the experiment with these pork ribs? The fines are already marinated, herbs, and I'm just going to withdraw this membrane that comes in the part of the bone.
And I'm going to add some pepper.
A little salt and olive oil.
We do this on both sides and massage so that everything penetrates well.
Once we have embers, we spread them. And I put branches back in for smoking. And with the bone pot down inside, that goes... We're going to smoke and cook at low temperature, like this for 45 minutes. At this time, with the thermometer, we will check the temperature. After this time, we turn it over and leave it for another 20 minutes. And now on a tray, we put aluminum foil, and I'm placing the rib cage. I add a glass of white wine, and carefully so that bones don't break paper. We shut it down and back to the grill. There it will be temperature, low-medium for 1 more hour. Once the period is over, we take the ribs off the grill.
Wow, the aroma is amazing, and it looks absolutely fantastic.
Now venture out all by yourself, and let's embark on this journey together.
Have you had a chance to experience the smoky flavor yet? It's absolutely delightful.
Very good.
I just need to try it. These pork pieces hold a well-guarded secret, Iberian and Iberian together. After a while at smoking temp, then I turned it down to do it back and forth.
And it must be said that the flavor is also noticeable.
Smoked without obscuring the flavor of the meat in the least. By the way, you have to
Say that being a bell.
big if we don't get a good grip on it.
Can we get burned like I got here?
As a final analysis I have, say if you have a barbecue, open, and do you want to enhance the flavor of your meats?
Making a bell like this will go very well.
If you liked the video, I genuinely hope you like it. Check out my other channel content, and if you like it, you subscribe. Greetings and see you in the next video.